In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a property in Notion, a handy skill for those managing their databases and needing to keep things clean and organized. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where your database is located. Once you've made it to your desired page, take a good look at your database. You'll notice it consists of multiple columns, each representing a property. Whether it's a text, number, or select field, each one holds specific information that you may want to tweak or clean up periodically. Now, to begin deleting a property, hover your mouse over the heading of the property you wish to remove. The property heading is located at the top of each column. Upon hovering, you'll see a drop-down arrow appear, indicating additional options. Go ahead and click on this arrow. Next, in the pop-up menu, you should see an option that says Delete Property. By selecting this, you're telling Notion that you no longer need this specific column and the information within it. Be sure you want to remove it, as this action can't be undone without recreating the entire column from scratch. So double-check that this is the column you're prepared to part with. Once you've decided, click on Delete. Clicking this will remove the property from your database entirely. It's a good idea to take a moment to confirm that the property is indeed gone and everything looks the way you intended. Remember, this step is crucial in ensuring your database remains clutter-free and only contains necessary information. Now, if you're managing multiple properties and wish to delete more than one, don't worry, this process can be easily repeated. Simply click on another property heading you wish to remove. Repeat the earlier steps by selecting the drop-down, clicking Delete Property, and confirming by clicking Delete. This simplicity makes managing even larger databases much more streamlined. By repeating these easy steps, you can tidy up your database, removing any unnecessary clutter that might have been dragging down your workspace efficiency. Keep in mind that periodically reviewing and updating your Notion page ensures it remains a powerful tool for productivity. And there you go. You've successfully learned how to delete properties in Notion. Hopefully, this quick guide helps you keep your workspace organized and efficient. Don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!